How's it going, everyone? So today I'm going to talk about how to make your brain think faster. So before I get started, please subscribe to my channel if you guys haven't already. I do appreciate the support. It helps my channel grow. Also, if you're interested in online personal training for me, simply comment below in the comment section. I will get back to you guys with more details. The first tip to make your brain think faster is to make sure you are getting at least 8 hours of sleep a day. This way your body will recover and you will have enough energy for the next day. It's very important that you get the proper amount of sleep. The next tip is to limit as much stress as you can in your life. I know a lot of us are stressed out, and especially kids nowadays with all the pressure to perform well in school and get a job. Try to limit your stress as much as possible. This will lead you to your brain thinking faster. Next tip is to learn something new every day. It doesn't have to be 2 hours of information, but learning something in as little as 10 to 15 minutes will make you smarter and get your brain conditioned to thinking faster. Learning something new every day is a very good thing to do. Last tip is to exercise. By exercising, you release feel-good endorphins. This makes your brain think faster. Also, by working out, you are also conditioning your brain as well. So end of video. Thank you guys so much for watching. Please subscribe to my channel if you haven't already. Please like the video and share it. Thanks again.